ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I'll begin by thanking Business World for giving us this opportunity to present our company and the solutions that we have in the medical refrigeration space to the audience. A little bit about our company. Well, we are India's largest air conditioning and refrigeration company, and in the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, and firefighting space, and contracting space. And we have a rich heritage of over 80 years. We have a robust after-sales network. As I mentioned, we are the largest engineering and electrical plumbing company. And we also have more than 31 offices, over 3,000 employees, more than 4,000 channel partners across the country, and over 1,250 service centers, again located across the country. We closed last year with a turnover close to 9,700 crores, with in dollar terms, a turnover of over $1.1 billion. We have 7 state-of-art manufacturing plants in India, with 2 plants located in the north in Himachal Pradesh at Kalam. We have plants in the western region, located at Ahmedabad and at Wada near Bombay, where we have multiple plants. And recently, we have also opened 2 plants at Sri City near Chennai. The business segments that Blue Star addresses, of course, the electromechanical projects and solutions. We are also into unitary products, that is the business of room air conditioners, air coolers, air purifiers, and also into commercial refrigeration, in the business of storage water coolers, again with the option of inbuilt purification, deep freezers, our bottle coolers, commercial kitchen refrigeration products and solutions, medical refrigeration products, of course, our modular cold storages, and even large cold storage solutions. We also have a subsidiary company, the Blue Star Engineering and Electronics, which is a company on professional electronics and industrial systems, which also has a business unit catering to the medical business of radiology and other solutions. On the customer segments addressed, well, we do have our fair share of business in the corporate sector. We also are present in the commercial segment. And with our room ACs and other products, we also have a fair share of business in the residential segment, as far as the air conditioning space is concerned. And I can say that almost 1/3 of the corporate and commercial facilities in India are air conditioned or have a Blue Star product in their premises. We also have an international presence, and we have a fairly good presence in the Middle East, and we have started our operations in the US and Europe markets. Now I'll get into the business of medical refrigerators and freezers that we have on our portfolio. Well, we bring you a wide range across different temperature points with ultra-low temperature settings for a wide variety of research and storage applications. And our range of products, again, meet the quality ISO standards and other standards set by regulatory bodies. And again, we have a range of products across the spectrum with multiple products and multiple capacity points. On the application areas, well, we have solutions for vaccine and vial storages, for pathology and forensic labs, for hospitals, as well as for medical colleges, for plasma storage, again for reagents and chemicals, for drugs and pharmacy stores, again for skin and tissue banks, and DNA and RNA processing and storage. I'll skip this slide for the paucity of time, and I'll get into the standards. Well, the standards and certifications that our products meet. We have the CE, again we have the ISO standards, and all the other standards stipulated by the various medical bodies. And on the certification, again, most of our products are certified by TUV, SGS, Intratec, Eurofins, as well as the WHO. Now we look at the range that we have on offer on medical refrigeration. And I'll start with our refrigerated freezer. We have our pharmacy refrigerators, which address temperatures from 2 to 8 degrees. And again, we offer you multiple SKUs at different capacity points on this temperature category. On the freezers, we address multiple temperature points. And I begin with -25, where we again have a range of 3 SKUs. The -40, again, we have multiple SKUs in this category. And when it comes to the -86, before I get into that, we also have a combined unit, which is a refrigerator come a freezer with one compartment being a positive temperature compartment between 2 to 8 degrees, and the second compartment addressing temperatures of -25. Next, we have the ultra-low temperature unit at -86, where we have multiple capacity points, right from 100 liters to over 1,000 liters. And basis the demand from customers and market, we have also introduced the chest-type ultra-low temperature at -86 across multiple capacity points. Again, the product's operating temperature that we have seen is the 2 to 8 degree units, generally are for general purpose refrigerators, again for chematography refrigerants, again for blood bank applications, and pharmacy regulators. And as far as the -25 is concerned, this is again for general purpose freezing applications and enzyme storage. And on the -40, again is for general purpose, and again for plasma freezing applications. And when it comes to the -86, it is basically for the ultra-low temperature applications that many of you have as part of your domain. On the usage and storage applications, I've already dealt on this. This is a little bit of more details on the areas of application as far as these different temperature points are concerned. And we are addressing across the spectrum, as you can see from the data provided. The 2 to 8 degrees pharmacy refrigerators, the products that we offer you come with a digital microprocessor control system with a stainless steel interior for the body. It's battery powered, and again has multiple sensor alarms for the safety of the produce stored inside. It is again having an automatic defrost facility, has a CFC-free refrigerant, which makes it eco-friendly. And again, we offer you a USB port for the transfer of data with regard to the temperature maintained inside the unit for the produce and samples that's stored inside. Coming to the -25, again, these machines are ideal for samples, reagents, chemicals, pharmaceutical applications, biological samples at the laboratories. And again, here we come with a digital microprocessor controller. Again, we have a direct cooling system with a USB device for the data transfer. Comes in with a standard access port, a polyurethane insulation, and again, it's a very low noise unit, whereby there is very little noise when the units are in operation. On the -40, we offer similar facilities, and we also have a facility of a safety lock, wherein the samples which are stored inside the unit, you have the safety that nobody's going to tamper with it, because many a time these units are used for testing purposes, and you have your stipulations on the time that is there when you cannot use the samples for any other purpose. It's a similar thing again on the the combined units, which is the positive and negative temperature application unit. I've already mentioned it addresses temperature from 2 to 8 and at -25 degrees centigrade across 2 compartments. And on the -86, again, we have all these features. And again, this comes with a low noise level. And again, this comes with a double door because of the temperature it has to maintain at -86 degrees. These are the details of the -86, the USPs with the compressor, the high efficiency vacuum insulation, and again on the safety devices. Lost it here. The pandemic required us to get into the business of ice line refrigerators, which played a critical role in the vaccines being distributed at the last mile, especially at remote locations. And from that standpoint, as an initiative, Blue Star took the decision to come out with ice line refrigerators. And again, here the temperature addressed is between 2 to 8 degrees. These machines come with a PCM technology and ensure the storage of the vaccines and other produce stored inside for over 20 hours, even without any power backup. We also have a very flexible vaccine transporter, which could be used by us in the times of the pandemic for the vaccination and inoculation programs. And these could be used again after charging in the car batteries at remote locations for the administration of vaccination programs. I'll finally come to our range on cold storages, where we do offer our range of modular cold rooms. And Blue Star is the only company in the corporate space which is into the business of mortuary chambers. The panels for our cold storage facilities are manufactured by us at our factory at Wada, and all our foaming agents that we use are with cyclopentane, which are green and eco-friendly. We do manufacture our own evaporating units with a stainless steel body with inner grooved copper tubing for better heat transfer. And again, we have an inbuilt defrost system of heaters to address the low temperature applications. We also make our own condensing units, which are with energy efficient compressors. And again, we offer a UV protection for corrosion resistance. And these units come pre-charged with service valves. Finally, coming to the mortuary cabinets, well, we offer you the telescopic system of mortuary cabinets. And these definitely found a lot of application during the pandemic, especially because there was a lot of demand from the government and we had a lot of problems in executing the orders because of the availability of people. But again, we have been doing this more as a social cause, and we offer our units with the molded doors with a telescopic carriage system, and we do offer these units in modules of 2-body, 4-body, and 6-body mortuary chambers. This is a brief about the clientele that we address in the medical refrigeration space. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I come to the end of my presentation. I again thank Business World for giving us an opportunity to be a part of this event. Thank you very much.